Go, touchdown! Oh, hello, I did not see you there. I was just listening to my favorite American pastime, baseball. I'm your new American roommate, Johnny Hollywood, from New Haven, Connecticut. Here, take house eating gift for you. It is my favorite American object. Do not. Sorry, what is Wi-Fi password? Okay, and what is nuclear codes? Let's get to know each other. For example, my parents, beet farmers. And what about you? Does your father still work as Secretary of Defense? Drove my Chevy to the levee and the levee was dry. Hello. Good old boys drinking. I have fun get to know you game. Let's play truth or dare. I go first. Truth.
Okay, what's your most embarrassing memory?
Oh, first day of school, I was late for class. I sleep in, so in front of whole class, teacher make me peel skin off of bones of war criminal using only potato peeler. Ugh, Mondays, am I right? Now you.
Truth.
Okay. What is weakest point of insurgents at nation's capital?
Hey man, do you want to go to Target?
You are going to father's house? I will come along.
No, to the store Target.
Oh, my bad. I thought you said the Target. No, I'm good. Actually, could you pick up some borscht?